Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Gitaly 17.3 planning kickoff video. This is the planning for GitLab 17.3 scheduled for August of 2024. For capacity notes this month, this release cycle, we believe we're going to be at pretty much full capacity. We do have a few people taking scheduled vacation, but that's to be expected and built into our capacity planning in the first place. Additionally, as I mentioned in the last kickoff video, we are starting to highlight some of our Git contributions. With the next Git milestone being 2.46, we're highlighting some of the efforts that we'll be doing within 17.3 timeframe to contribute upstream to the Git project. This is a pretty exciting time for us. We believe we have a lot of really good contributions going upstream, and we're proud to be able to support open source code and the open source community surrounding Git. In addition, we'll be supporting our customers this release with a series of internal support requests. I did make a note here. There's been a recent uptick in the number of support requests, so more time than usual will be spent here. I'm assessing this with our engineering managers to understand if this is an emerging trend or not. And if so, we want to sort of figure out what we can do to mitigate undue stress on the team here. We don't like to spend the bulk of our time supporting customers in the sense of debugging issues. We'd like to actually have documentation in place so that the customers can support themselves whenever possible. And if there are issues with the product, we like to fix them so they don't become recurring. So we'll be evaluating that closely to see if the trend continues. Moving on to our objectives. These align relatively well with our OKRs. There's some internal links for team members to look at, as well as tracking epics, which should be public for everyone to see. One of our objectives is to improve scalability, reliability, and availability. And to that end, we're working to improve Gitaly repository scaling. This is with our upstream contributions of rough tables to the Git project. There's a tracking epic here, and we're making progress in this month by month in an effort to improve performance with larger repositories or those with lots of references. We're doing some additional work on the same objective to optimize the diff generation. This can be a significant performance variability situation, so we're trying to solve that and make it more predictable. And finally, we're working to support Gitaly on Kubernetes. This is our initial implementation of a cloud-native Gitaly. This is very exciting. We have a lot of cloud-native customers who wish to run the entirety of GitLab cloud-native, and this will enable them to do that. Finally, we do have some priorities coming out of the bug prioritization SciSense dashboard. This, again, is an internal filter. This helps us better understand any bugs that are popping up with the product, and we do spend some time triaging those as they come in. As always, if there's any questions, please feel free to reach out on any of the public issues or in the comments of this video. We do our best to check this a couple times throughout the release cycle. And as always, we appreciate all contributions and comments. Thank you so much. Have a great day.